Run.
Okay, this is our empty house tour, and we're going to take you through the front door, and we're going to walk you through the rooms. The furniture that's in here is now ours, and it's going to stay here. And I'll just point things out as we go. This is the front door. Come on in. The first room you walk into, we're going to call a living room, fireplace room. As you can see, we've got a fireplace. It is rated to burn wood, although we'll probably only run the electric fireplace. And this is the master bedroom in here. As you can see, there are some huge closets in this house. Big closets. Okay? Off of the master bedroom is also a master bathroom, where we have a step-in shower, double sinks, I guess it's a hot tub, soaking tub, and a toilet back here. Someone left the lid up. Then coming back through the house and into the fireplace room, you can now see the dining area directly in front of you. This is the formal dining room. And attached to that is the kitchen. The kitchen has a large refrigerator freezer, double stainless steel sink, electric oven, and they left the microwave for us as well. We own the kitchen dining area. And what's real interesting is the way this wall is laid out. It has this stained glass window that looks into the fireplace room. There's a small utility room in the back door out here. This is where the washer and dryer will sit. And the previous owner had a very small freezer back here. I don't think we're going to have that. Okay? Coming back into the house, we have a den or television room that was just a common place for people to sit and to enjoy a little bit of television. It sat there in the corner. They had double recliners. This is what we're calling the blue bedroom. It has a full-size bed. Previous owner had a desk in here for a computer, and it's got a sizable closet as well. Stepping this way, we have the bathroom on the left side. And behind you is the pink bedroom with, again, a very sizable closet. And the last room in the house is the safari room. I call it the brown room, but you can see along the border there is a border with zebras, cheetahs, and elephants and everything. And this furniture also stays, but because this will probably be our bed while we're living here, we're going to move this down to the other master bedroom. And perhaps the largest closet in the entire house in this room. Now let me take you out back to show you the backyard. Right out the sliding glass doors. This is the backyard porch. They left the wicker chairs and the wicker table. And swing around and show them the backyard. The backyard is small, but it's big enough for us to have a collie. We actually own beyond that little ridge of soil back there, but it's pretty much the backyard ends there. And the carport for storing a car and keeping it out of the sun. Going out into the backyard, I'm going to show you the little machine shed they have back here. Watch your step. This is the machine shed. It does have electricity and a fan in it to stay cool. And lawnmower and a stepladder were left behind. And that's going to end our empty house tour. I hope you appreciate the tour. Thank you.